Hi, in this video we will see how we can merge two YouTube playlists together into one playlist. So here we are seeing here is one of the playlist short practical Python programming practices, and there is another one handy dirty Python hack. So I want to merge these two playlists into one, and here we are seeing there are total 18 videos are here, 18 videos if you see, and then here there are 3 videos. So when we will merge this and this playlist together, then it will be 21 playlist, right? So and we want to merge these videos, 3 videos to this playlist. So for this case, what we have to do, we have to decide first which one will be the final playlist. So here this will be the final playlist. Okay, so this one we want to delete. Okay, so for this case, so if we are trying to delete that one, we have to access that thing, and we have to determine into which playlist we want to move these 3 elements where. Okay, so I'm going to open this one. So just click on edit, or you can right click and then open a new tab. Okay, then it will open to a new tab. So I'm going to the new tab, and here we are seeing the playlist has 3 videos. Okay, we want to merge these 3 videos to that. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to click this 3 dot, and once we click this 3 dot, then this type of menu will be appeared, and from here we have to choose this one, add all to. Okay, so this option we have to choose. So once we click add all to, then it will pop up all the playlist of my channel. So here we saw that we want to merge these 3 videos into this playlist, short practical Python programming practices. Okay, so we have to search that one. So if you search from the list, there are all the lists. I mean, whatever the playlist you created on your channel, you will see everything over here, and you have to search. So for my case, this is the thing, right? So what we have to do, we just need to click this checkbox. Once we click the checkbox, then all the videos of this playlist will be moved to this channel. Okay, so I'm going to click here and just wait few seconds, and the checkbox will closed. I mean that window will be disappeared automatically, and it will add all of these 3 videos to the playlist. So if we go there, now previously we saw 18. Okay, if we refresh, then we'll see that it will update. So I'm going to refresh, and once I refresh, then you'll see there is 21 videos, right? And if you click here, it will show you the 21 videos, and the last 3 videos basically are the 3 videos which we added. So these 3 videos basically we added from that playlist. If we open the playlist, still we are seeing that thing. Okay, but it will not delete. Okay, so in this way we can easily merge to like 2 playlists into one playlist in your YouTube channel. And once you merge all the videos into one playlist, you can actually delete this thing. So you can delete from this 3 dot, and then you can choose delete playlist, and it will delete the playlist. Okay, so in this way guys, you can actually merge 2 playlists together in YouTube. Thank you for watching, and if this video is helpful for you, please consider subscribing to our channel.